Hello class, my name is Quentin Adamson. I'm just going to go over the $100 challenge that we were supposed to do. I did it very simply, so hoping it's good. Uh, the first thing off is actually it's called Quentin's Gun Safety and Marksman class. I'm still working on the name. I got to copyright it obviously and trademark it, but the idea is to help people from all walks of life understand and receive the ability to protect and shoot and have fun with the guns that we are able to buy. I cater it each and every experience to the person or the group that I go out with. Now they're able to spend half hour to 4 hours with me. It all depends on what they want to do and how much ammo they want to buy, and they're able to actually choose any variety of the handguns, rifles that I own or that anybody else or that they may have. The great part about it is they're actually able to understand how the tool or the weapon works from inside out. They're able to clean it, shoot it, and use it properly. But the main goal is for them to not be scared of anything that will happen in the future, and that they will understand that it can be used for good and not just for bad, as the news show nowadays. One thing that I try to stand out about is, I don't ever do the boring classrooms. We're not going to sit down and we're not going to go over it. I'll try to explain everything to my customers either in the car or on the way out or wherever we're going, and basically it's just going to be a hands-on experience for them, so it can be as fun and entertaining, and hopefully they enjoy it. The great part about it is I don't charge people fees or gas or anything like that. Now they just pay for the ammo that they want to shoot, and then I've been charging $10 an hour per person for the time that they spend with me. So it's not breaking the bank, but it's not super cheap. I don't think either. I've been super successful. I've taken a bunch of friends out, as you can see in some of these pictures that I put in here. These are some friends or some people that I know that have either hired me or I've given discounts on because they're taking out their friends, or some of the things where they've enjoyed the time that we spent together, and they've learned something new. Where you can go and the summertime, spring, winter, it all doesn't matter, as you can see in the picture. Whenever people want to go, I'm willing to take them, and I'm willing to help people. Ultimately, I've had success, as you can see, with the people that they are able to understand and operate the guns and tools that they either have or want to get in the future or are willing to buy. Now, if I could change one thing, it would definitely be the advertising. That's one thing I'm struggling with. I haven't really done much with it either. It's just been more of word to mouth, or word by mouth from friends to other friends, or by me. And then another thing I would like to do is I'd like to actually get certified to help people get their concealed permit. Um, and I actually have a misspelling that says concealed permit carry. It's supposed to be concealed carry permit. I'm just noticing that now. But however, that's one thing I would like to be able to help people do, so they're able to, you know, keep themselves protected always. Now that will actually involve classroom time, because that is an actual class that they would have to take to from the state to be able to do it. But that would be one thing I would love to be able to do for them. I actually do make some money off of this. It all depends on what I do. Um, a lot of the friends I'll give a discount or some sort so that they can, be able to help me by getting their friends to go out. And what I did is with the profits that I've earned, I have been able to um, invest that into new target systems or new guns or new, or better ammo or whatever it is, so that my clients will have a better time, shooting or learning and doing the things that I like to do and I like to share with people. I do project that I can get it to go bigger. I project that, that with people, this can become big. People will enjoy this, especially here in Rexburg, Idaho. There's nobody else doing what I'm doing. Yeah, people have guns, people go shooting, but nobody else offers a class to actually help people and take them out, either into the desert or into the shooting range. Now, if I had investors, I would definitely invest into, an actual building where people can come in and sign up and learn and be able to pick the guns and that sort of thing. But that will take time, as well as the investors definitely could help me get in some advertising so people actually know who I am and what I'm doing. And there's definitely is some future potential. You can see all the people I've helped and what we've been doing, whether that be shotguns, handguns, rifles. People will learn and have fun. This is one thing I do enjoy, and I'd hope people enjoy it with me. And so there's definitely something that I can grow in this market. And that's the end of that. I appreciate your time. I did see a couple mistakes that I have made, so don't judge me too bad for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.